Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you application basics, how to synchronize CapCut projects from Android to PC versions. So let's get started. Open your CapCut on your mobile phone or on your PC. So make sure you are logged in the same account. In the mobile version and PC version must be the same account. But if you're not yet have an account, please make one account. Register your account into CapCut. Or you can join CapCut Pro if you have enough. Or if you wanna waste your money. So after that, you can use the space. This one. This is like cloud space, virtual storage that you can get for free. 15 GB if you are free to play or you are not a pro yet, so you can get free 15 GB a storage. So after you get or you see or you learn about this space, you can synchronize, you can upload or back up your projects by tap three dots beside your projects and upload to the space, and then upload and done. So you can see, you can edit your project in a PC or vice versa. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click this button below. See you in the next video.